आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Okay, so the given question here we have is we have to prove that if 2a02 is less than 15a, if all roots of this equation is equal to 0 cannot be real. So basically this we have to prove when this roots are not real, and given that a0, a, b, c, d are all belongs to real values, right? So what we will do first, you know that our fx is what given to us in the question, x to the power 5 minus a0 x to the power 4 plus 3ax cube, right, plus bx square plus cx plus d. So basically how many roots this equation can have? This can have 5 roots because the highest degree of this term is 5, x to the power 5. So what we will do first, we will differentiate it to decrement the power, to decrement the number of roots. So it will become 5x to the power 4 minus 4a0 x to the power 3 plus this will become 9ax to the square plus this becomes 2bx and this will become c. And the next we have is f double dash x. Again we will discriminate it, so differentiate it. So we will get what, 20x to the power 3 minus what, 12 a naught x square plus 18 ax, and this one will become 12b. How many roots this equation can now have? 3, because the maximum power is 3. But we will have to reach to the term 2f triple dash x. So this will become 60 x square. Again this will become 24 a naught x. This will become 18a, and this will become 0 because there is a constant term left. So now we can see that if we take 6 common from this equation, we have this is a not x square basic. Sorry, this is a only. This is not a. This is basically 60. I just miswrited it. So basically this is what, 60. So taking 6 common, we will get 10x square minus 4 a naught x plus 3a, right? So now what we have to prove, we know that to find the values of roots are real or not, if the discriminant, if we have a discriminant which is greater than 0, right? In this case the roots are real. So what we will do in this case, we will find out this equation's discriminant first, and we will check them, are they greater than 0 or not. So basically discriminant is what, minus b square, sorry, b square minus 4ac. So in this term what is b? This is minus 4 a naught whole square minus 4ac, with 4 a is what, 10, a is what, 10. So I'll write it down as 10 here. This will be, sorry, this will be 10, and this will be what, 3a, right? So what it will become, it will become 16 a naught square minus 120 a, right? Taking 8 common, we will get 2 a naught square minus 15 of a, right? And what we have to prove in the given question, 20 a naught 2 is less than 15a, right? This is what we have to, we required to prove that 20 a naught square basically is less than 15a, which means we can write it as 20, not 20, basically only 2 here. I'm again taking it wrong. So we know that this is 2 a naught square, and again we can write it as 2 a naught square minus 15a should be less than 0. So here we can see what, yes, we can see that 2 a naught square minus 15a is less than 0. It means that the discriminant become what, discriminant is less than 0. This is what we need to prove. This means that the roots are, this means that roots are not, number of roots are not real for this term only. Right now we have, but we can understand that when this differentiation, when only 2 roots we have for this equation as highest degree is 2, if they are not real, then how can the other ones are real? So basically we can come to this conclusion that number of roots are not real because the value here, which is 2 a naught square minus 15a, which we have proved is less than a. So discriminant is 0. So basically this is what we have to prove.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।